Why create a device-free zone?
As constant device use can lead to distraction, stress, and difficulty focusing. Setting up a dedicated space without screens gives your mind a chance to rest and recharge. This habit helps improve attention, boost creativity, and support overall mental well-being. A device-free zone encourages mindful moments, making it easier to be present with yourself or your loved ones.
Choose the right spot.
Pick a comfortable, inviting area in your home to serve as your device-free zone. This could be a cozy corner, a reading nook, the dining table, or a portion of your bedroom. Prioritize places where you naturally unwind or gather. The location should be easy to access and far enough from screens to resist temptation.
Set clear boundaries.
Establish simple, clear guidelines for your device-free zone. Let everyone at home know which devices are off-limits and when this rule applies. Consider using a small basket for phones or reminders like signs. Consistency is key. The more predictable the boundaries, the easier it becomes to honor them.
Add mindful touches.
Make your device-free zone welcoming and calming. Add comfortable seating, natural light, plants, or soothing decor. Keep books, journals, puzzles, or art supplies nearby. The goal is to invite restful, mindful activities that help you fully enjoy unplugged moments without craving digital distractions.
Embrace regular unplugged time.
Schedule regular device-free breaks in your new zone, whether it's during meals, before bed, or as a midday reset. This routine supports better focus and emotional balance. Notice how your mind feels in these moments. Over time, you may find increased clarity, deeper connections, and a lasting sense of calm.